Welcome back. I'm Teresa.
And I'm Jerry. And we're the Happy Place Diaries. In this video, we're going to talk about the brand spanking new Keystone Arcadia, which just was introduced at the Florida RV Super Show down in Tampa. And we had an opportunity to get a sneak peek and a walkthrough of two of the Arcadia floor plans and sizes, and one of them we really liked. The smaller of the two, not so much, but in this video we're going to show you both of the Arcadias that they had at the RV show, and we'll go through the fifth wheels, and then we'll give you some of our impressions of what we thought. We're in the brand spanking new Keystone Arcadia, and I'll give you the model number as soon as I get out of the bedroom here. But it is, I love the coloring. It is very nice. Nice closet spaces up here. I'll flip the camera around here. Good closet space. Looks like a queen bed. Nice overhead compartments there. I'm loving how light the colors are. Here's the bathroom. Great detail in the shower.
Drawers, rather. Okay, I'm moving up here.
Okay, so this is the living space of the Miranda, who tells me that this is a prototype model and they're going to make some changes, but really nice.
So in the new model, and the newer models after this one, they're going to put a little partition here on the next to the sofa with outlets, USBs. And instead of having the full table and chairs, they're going to do a bench seat here. So with a table this way and two chairs facing the window.
The Arcadia 3660, which is the floor plan that we really liked, comes in at a delivery weight of 10,763 pounds. It's got a total length of 36 feet, 6 inches, and that is pretty good. Now you do need a half-ton to pull that, and it does come in at a height of 13.4, and that includes the AC units on the rig. And then it does have a sleep capacity of 4, and that accounts for the master bedroom and then pull-out
Couch.
sofas.
Yes.
Currently, the Arcadia has 3 floor plans, but they're talking about putting 2 more floor plans in this year before the summer. And they're also talking about doing Arcadia travel trailer.
Yeah.
We are in the Arcadia 3660 RL, sitting here in the bedroom. Really good looking rig. I like it even better than the other one. This one has a really nice bar up in the kitchen area, and really nice. So this one has opposing slides. It has the island with a flip-up bar, which is a really nifty feature. Love the rear living space.
This looks like IKEA.
It's that guy again.
It's that guy. Yeah, we got stalkers.
We do, we're stalking you. 5 to go is stalking you.
Unfortunately, they won't admit to being super fans.
That's right. Yeah.
Anyway, yeah.
All right. So we've got happy
Those slides.
pantry here. It's got the TV there. Storage behind the TV. The Roman.
walking into the trailer,
And we're talking about the 3660
right,
RL.
RL,
Okay.
right. Walking into the kitchen, and it's white. And I didn't think that I would like white, but I like white a lot. I like the backsplash that they have on the little bar area.
Yeah.
And then the,
It's kind of a really nice tile look.
right, yes.
And the white, to me, the white, and I was really skeptical when everybody was talking about the white. I was really skeptical about the white, but it really makes the interior look big.
Right, it
Doesn't
looks
it?
big and homey. It just makes
Right.
it look more like a home. Now the refrigerator has the white panels on it also, and underneath the refrigerator there's 2 drawers that I really liked too.
Yeah, it kind of has a cottage feel with the white and the paneling, and the light fixtures are all kind of a carriage, farmhouse
Yeah, kind of feel.
look. It really, so it kind of brings the outdoors in, and it really looks nice. The cabinetry is all a really light color cream, and I really like that because the contrast there really makes it look open. And then you couple all of that with all the windows
Right.
in that rear living. The windows literally wrap around the trailer, and then I really like that they put that little window in the kitchen.
Yeah,
right above the stove.
Yeah, we saw that in quite a few RVs, but it looked really nice in this one. I love the door to the pantry. I extremely like the chalkboard so that we can write down things that we need, and the space in there. And then I believe I had 2 pull-out drawers towards the bottom, which I love the pull-out drawers.
Yeah. No, I really like that whole interior. And then the bedroom up there
With
the east-west bed, lots of room to walk around. And if you put a regular queen in there,
we'll have lots of room.
You got plenty of room, plenty of storage up there. And then, closing out the interior with the bathroom. I thought the bathroom was good size. And, really, I don't know that this model is designed for families. In fact, I know it's not designed for families because there's no bunkhouse or anything like that.
Right.
I got a hunch that one of the next 2 floor models is going to have a bunkhouse in it. But this, for a couple, this is really nice. And at 36.5 feet,
Yeah, it's not big. It's not too big and it's not too small.
Yeah,
I mean for us.
right. And what I was going to say was that at 36.5 feet, you could get it into any park.
Right.
Even with the size truck that you have to have, 36.5 feet is going to be doable pretty much everywhere.
Now also in the living area, you probably noticed, but the TV tilts up. You can pull it up and there's storage behind the TV.
Yeah, I didn't get video of that, but
you
yeah, you could pull the TV up and there was storage behind.
The only thing that we kind of talked to the lady from Arcadia about was the desktop thing that was connected to the
the little kid bar type of thing.
If it was raised up to the top and then the outlets were moved down, then I think it would be more of a buffet style thing, and then adults could sit there also.
Yeah. And depending on what you decided to do with the dinette, although it's not a traditional dinette, it's tables and chairs, that when it is in the up position does take up a little space there. So I'm not quite sure where they were going with that, other than it's a neat feature that you don't see anywhere else.
Levi would have fun sitting there.
Right. I mean, you could put some little benches or a bench under there, or some stools that could be stowed away. Okay, so that is our impression of the brand new Keystone Arcadia. In particular, the 3660 RL. Really like that model a lot. And it really offers, everything that we're looking for in a fifth wheel. And I'm sure that if you walk through it, you would find...
that you'll like it.
Exactly. Hey, if you like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you like these kind of videos, I know we've been going a little bit heavy on the walkthroughs, but that's because we got content at the Tampa RV show. So we're going to put that out. I think we may have maybe one more. So we'll be getting back to, regular programming. But if you like it, give us a thumbs up. And all we're asking right now until the end of February is share the video with a friend. If you've got a friend that might get something out of this, go ahead and share it with them. We would certainly appreciate that. And with that, remember that a happy life starts in a happy place. We're in a constant search for ours, and we're glad that you're coming along with us. Hey, thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.